As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate the superannuation ceremony of our beloved teacher, Mr. Farooq Ahmad Shah, lecturer mathematics, who has served the education department tirelessly for 37 years. Incredible 37 years. It fills our heart with joy and gratitude to retire with dignity and grace. It's a great honor. Personally, for me, Farooq sir has been more than a colleague. He is like an elder brother to me. Wherever I required any sort of suggestion, any sort of advice, he voluntarily offered that. And his meticulous command over the school management affairs and finance has earned him the well-deserved title of Financial Commissioner. And really, he embodies that spirit. This is a testament to his extraordinary dedication and skills. He has many everlasting impressions on all of us, including me, like unwavering commitment to teaching. His commitment to teaching was remarkable. He was remarkably regular and punctual. He always delivered his classes on time. He never missed them. In fact, I remember he used to deliver his classes during zero periods and even breaks. सबसे अच्छी बात जो यहाँ पे है, that is when we were attending different types of meetings and trainings at district headquarters. All of us were used to go home. जो ही मीटिंग कंप्लीट होती थी, हम सब घर चले जाते थे. लेकिन मैथ सर is the only person who used to come back and deliver his class first, then leave to his home. This is something which we should truly imbibe in us. It's truly inspiring कि क्लास की इतनी फिक्र होती थी. And the second thing is, he was very passionate for institutional development. And it is not only here. During my conversation with him, I came to know that he was working in a similar fashion at Kargil also. He has built the infrastructure in Kargil also because he had spent good time there. He was posted there. और कहते हैं कि करगिल की डी और सरहद पहाड़ियों ने इनके हौसले और जज्बे को पस्त होने नहीं दिया, बल्कि और ऊंचा किया. और यहाँ पे और वो वही चीज ले गए, उन्होंने यहाँ पे भी काम किया. I vividly recall when we were laying slab of the main park, he rolled up his sleeves and acted as mason. दिशल काम करन चो वैसे ही उसने वहाँ पे काम किया और खुद स्लैब डाली, अपने हाथों से स्लैब डाली. That is the dedication. और यहाँ पे दूसरी बात जो है कि the building which is lying in the middle of the campus, adding charm to an institution, giving majestic look. It is the result of his unrelenting efforts. This project seemed to be very difficult, but his support to principal sir made it possible. And today we are witnessing the building is nearing its completion, and I think it would be having state-of-art facilities. अगर किसी बच्चे ने वहाँ का दौरा किया होगा तो आप देखते हैं कि वहाँ के शेल्फ कैसे हैं, वहाँ पे सिंक कैसी लगी है, हर किसी रूम में गीजर्स हैं, सारी फैसिलिटीज़ वहाँ पे है. तो अच्छा खासा क्रेडिट जाता है हमारी लेक्चरर मैथमेटिक्स को जिन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट को रिवाइव किया. Another thing which I admire about him, that is his straightforward personality. Whatever lies in his heart, that was reflected in his behavior. जो भी होता था तो वो behavior से भी दिखता है. कभी कभार क्या होता है कि कोई शासन सड़ा बुरुदबार अंदर, लेकिन सामने से बिहेव करता है बड़े खुशामद तरीके से, लेकिन उससे खतरा होता है. जो बात नहीं, दैट वाज यूनिक ऑफ हिम जो भी होता था. और इतना ही नहीं, ही एंश्योर्ड इवन दो, जैसे प्रिंसिपल सर ने भी कहा कि देयर मे बी समटाइम्स आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस एंड इट्स पॉसिबल, वी आर ह्यूमंस, तो वी आर नॉट अलाइक. इवन कहते हैं कि ट्विन्स आर नॉट आल्सो अलाइक. ही एंश्योर्ड दैट आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस never disrupt the amicable atmosphere of the institution. उसने इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखा कि जो भी होगा उसका प्रोफेशनलिज्म ऐसा था कि उन्होंने हर किसी के साथ अच्छी रिलेशनशिप बना के रखी. And one more thing that deserves special mention, that is his impeccable dressing sense. That is truly impeccable. Even I remember our principal sir, when they were accompanying each other for any special assignment, our principal sir used to be self-conscious कि मैं जाऊं कि ना जाऊं, क्योंकि जिसके साथ मैं जा रहा हूं उसकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस मुझसे फार बेटर है. तो आज भी अगर देखेंगे सबसे अगर कोई ब्राइट लग रहे हैं तो वही लग रहा है, आज इनका दिन ही, आज तो लगना ही था. लेकिन सिर्फ आज नहीं, इनकी तो रूटीन हमेशा से, इनकी ये जो रूटीन है वो हमेशा से रही है. तो I personally feel fortunate enough to have worked alongside him. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. If at any moment I have crossed my line or I have caused any sort of offense, I apologize and seek forgiveness with utmost humility. With utmost humility. Or now, as he is going to bid adieu to the school education department, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for his contributions and wish him a happy post-retirement life, and his legacy will always inspire us.